Just a quick video to show you what it looks like during the day. All the hard work we've put in over the past month and a half. It's been a lot of fun. We're not quite done here with the witches area. We got some adjustments to make, and I'll do that tonight. But as you can see, we've been pretty busy. Viola's angel wings will be spray painted black. She's going to be a fallen angel. This is my neighbor's patio, and she's a snowbird and won't be here till next month, so we get to decorate her area for her. And then show her all the pictures. This is our stolen idea of the year. It's our little zombie cage. My mummy zombie that I made with dollar store mask and dollar store hand. All of this stuff actually was made with dollar store stuff. Most of it anyways. The headstones we used cardboard and corrugated plastic and some foam ones from the dollar store. This one is great. Zara made this headstone for Grandma Betty. She had a habit of eating leaves and drinking mud. So I had these milk jugs and I decided, hey, let's put those in the grave with this. Grandma Betty. Perfect, right? This is the graveyard. And then this is the creepy ghost, or Gary Ghost as Josie says. It's the Gary Ghost. And that is it. I think I'll send a video of the inside later. Bye-bye.